guys, ayan, so may gift ang kuya sa atin. Ayan, so ayan, ginawa nila to sa school guys. And super excited tayo. Ayan, so tingnan natin ang ginawa ng ating kuya sa school. Ayan, kuya, come here. Can you help me to open it?
Yes.
Ayan. Sit down lang. You wanna sit down?
It's a sticker.
Uy, can I break it? Can I?
Yes.
I'm so excited, hey. Uy. What's this yan? Kasi Mother's Day is, guys. And ayan, so sa school, meron silang activities na pinagawa sila ng ganito. I'm so excited, guys. Ayan, so sweet and big boy na. Ayan. Wow! Ayan. That was super. Wow! Guys, ayan. So, meron pa siya. Pinaint nila. You did this one, kuya?
Yes.
Wow!
I
Ayan,
like that
pinaint
one.
nila. I like it.
It's that.
Wow, this is, and what is that inside? One more?
Yes.
Oh! Iwan tong ano, yung kanyang ano. Yeah, yung plate niyan, iwan yun. And meron po siyang card. Wow! That was so cool. Yan. What's that? I love you, my mom, because she is brave. Love, Robert. Whoa! Yay! That's super sweet, hey? Kuya, do you want this one? Come here.
I want a present.
Kuya, come here. Pakasang mama.
What's that?
So sweet naman. So sweet, naipit si Tia. Ayan guys, so nakakatuwa naman, nakakataba ng puso. Ito ang gift ni Kuya. Ayan, may flowers na ako from Kuya. Ayan,
I want the
ayan. Happy
present.
Mother's Day po sa lahat ng
I want the
mga
present.
sa me. Ayan,
I want
Mima.
the present.
Happy Mother's
the
Day po sa
present.
inyong lahat.
Wait,
I-share ko
Mama, I
lang
want
siya,
the
syempre, ito yung
present,
happiness natin.
please.
She is a 6 years old and kindergarten and meron silang gift for their mom. Ayan, nakakatuwa guys.
How
And meron
many
pang
days
card.
I'm
Ayan
going
guys, na-share ko
school,
lang.
Mama?
Syempre, excited mom here.